Oh my god.
What kind of fucking alarm is that?
I don't know, but it's so annoying. Oh my god. What? Really?
What the fuck is that? Dude, turn that shit off.
Who had that alarm on? I'm gonna kill you, Mosh.
Yeah, somebody is stealing the car.
That's my new favorite song.
Yeah, this is a great song, man. Who is this?
I think this is a dubstep remix.
Yeah. Who's that? Skillet?
Do you live in a box next to a parking garage, for fuck's sake?
Skillet! You live in a box by a parking garage.
How do you get Wi-Fi in a box?
Like, that sounds pretty fucking close. Either you live in your car, or
No,
you
he
definitely
took
live
his-
in next...
He took his PlayStation to Burger King, and it was in a rough neighborhood.
I'm in love with that, bro. Shut that up. Shut up your Toyota, bro. That is annoying. Bro, your Toyota has their alarm on. Turn it off. So gay, kid.
Oh, fuck. Goddamn.
The fuck was that, nigga? What the fuck? I didn't do it.
Oh, your car, you stupid shithead. Turn this shit off, you dumbass.
What the fuck was that? Stop, stop, stop. Stop my ears. Oh my god, help. Help.
Oh my god, turn it off.
Man, what the fuck is that? Turn that shit off.
Holy shit.
You're fucking kidding me. You fucking twat. Stop fucking doing that.
You just got the alarm shit going off. This annoying.
Fuck, man.
Fucking other dude right here. The one with the fucking panda emblem.
Piece of shit.
That shit's
Oh
horrible.
my god.
Come on, you panda looking at
one?
him.
I'm gonna
Panda, what is... Me too, shit to know.
The fuck? You are such a bitch, aren't you?
Alright, Panda is not annoying no more. Oh my fucking god.
Fucking beeping motherfucker.
This motherfucker's still playing with the alarm.
Oh,
I
that's
call
the
him
dude
Panda.
stabbing everybody.
Yeah, 'cause he's a bitch.
I ain't know the fine shit.
They're stealing my car. Fuck, man.
Gonna stay on the game while they stealing your shit, nigga?
Hell yeah, don't worry about it. I got insurance.
Nah, fuck that, nigga. I'm gonna kill something, nigga.
Hell, I don't want to kill nobody, man. Fucking somebody they kill that fucking car. Fuck.
What's wrong with this bitch and this motherfucking shit, man?
The fuck?
What the fuck? Turn it off. Dude, turn off the sound. Whoa, these sounds are pissing me off. Hello? I gotta take up a mic. Oh my goodness, he's coming over to his house or something. Trying to turn off all those noises. Dude, please stop, please. I'm begging you.